So grab your racket, hit the court, let's play. Feel the thrill, it's a brand new day. With every swing, we'll reach the sky. Badminton dreams will fly so high. Effort sharp, keep your stance. One small step, take a chance. With friends beside, there's nothing to fear. Aisha's story will bring you cheer. Smash the limits, play your best. Train with heart, ace the test. Together we rise, together we shine. cocomelon.com, exciting divine. And for more fun, don't forget, Meiji Park's the place to get videos to guide your dreams to unpack. Subscribe today, there's no turning back. That sound is wisdom, her kindness true. Showed Aisha what she could do. From zero to hero in just one day. Helping a friend get light the way. Focus hard, practice strong. Learn the skills, it won't take long. Every rally's a chance to grow. Let's smash our fears, let courage show. Smash the limits, play your best. Train with heart, ace the test. Together we rise, together we shine. cocomelon.com, exciting divine. And for more fun, don't forget, Meiji Park's the place to get videos to guide your dreams to unpack. Subscribe today, there's no turning back. There's no turning back. Friendship grows when we lend a hand. Building dreams like castles in the sand. Samiha and Aisha, a team so strong. Their story inspires, let's pass it along. Smash the limits, play your best. Train with heart, ace the test. Together we rise, together we shine. cocomelon.com, exciting divine. And for more fun, don't forget, Meiji Park's the place to get videos to guide your dreams to unpack. Subscribe today, there's no turning back. So grab your racket, take a swing.